I'm paying attention, Deborah.
That's order to 42424. Feeling lucky? Get ready to strike gold during Volkswagen deal days at Southern Volkswagen Greenville. Low APR financing available, plus lifetime benefits like oil changes. Save some green today at Southern Volkswagen. SouthernVolkswagenGreenbrier.com. Call 844-255-2475 for details.
These groceries at the same price online as you get in our stores. That's appealing to people. We have something there. Let's build on that.
So Walmart wanted to build out same-day grocery delivery, but it wasn't easy.
Setting up
yoga instructor. She doesn't practice anymore. She had a... Oh, okay.
Holy shitballs. I'm just gonna grab that.
And here we go.
Hey, face!
Looking at adding bike lanes to Fountain Avenue by reducing it from 2 lanes to just 1 in each direction, and maybe separating the bike lanes on Santa Monica Boulevard from traffic lanes. And maybe separating the bike lanes on Santa Monica Boulevard from traffic lanes. And since
un peu honnêtement, je sais pas pourquoi c'était ça le
Ça
problème.
l'enlève la pointe de gras. Tu sais, essayer de nous... En tout cas, moi, je dirais rien.
De quoi?
Ah non, mais on essaie de nous vendre ça à gros coups de porc, là, tu sais. Une viande blanche.
Gros coup de porc?
C'est une bonne viande, hein.
Ben, c'est bon, du porc?
Bon.
Empty, then takes off as quickly as it came. A group of people who may have seen the angel run to
Whoa, what the? You have it? You can still get it, right? I bet you can get it. I bet if you put it on X is one of the few places where actually it's actually illegal. So maybe you can't have it. In my elder statesman era than I used to be, where I would hang on, be like, well, you get 3 drives, 3 touchdowns, and this is a game. I don't go to that place.
It just means you shouldn't take that source as anything. So, anonymous. But there are videos of her looking pretty damn charming.
Okay, I'm driving down Highway 99 in Surrey, British Columbia, heading towards Vancouver Airport. I spot lots of merging traffic coming down the 32nd Avenue ramp, and I move over to the left to give them room to merge. Here's a truck driver from Motorways Transport in Surrey, BC, and he says, "You bitch, I'm taking over that lane," and he just pushes right in front of me like he doesn't give a flying about any of the other drivers. And this is supposed to be a professional driver. Ha! As you can see from my rear dash camera, there are no cars behind me. That from Motorways Transport had enough time to get in behind me if he wanted to pass other cars on Highway 99.
Uh-oh, now it's coming back in. Uh-oh, now it's coming back out on the road.
Wow, what's that guy doing?
Oh no! Oh no, he's gonna get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Who's he getting?
I don't know. There he goes! There he goes!
Oh my god, a double
karma! Instant! He was on the shoulder of all things. And flying by. He must have been doing like 80 miles an hour. Here he is. Here he is.